back to my channel. Today I have my godchild, Maddie, with me. Say hi. Hi. And she wants to put on some makeup. So Maddie is here with me today because it's my birthday and she wanted to hang out, right? You love Dina?
I love it.
She loves Dina, so she's gonna do some makeup for us today. Maddie will be doing a full glam on herself today. Can you say hi to the camera? Oh, so cute. Ready? Want to do blush?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do some blush. So we're gonna put some blush on Maddie. You want to do it?
Yeah.
We are using Milani's Baked Blush in Luminoso. There you go. Good job.
Yeah.
Now your other cheek. Oh, so pretty.
No.
Oh, so pretty, Maddie. Okay, what's next? Want to do some highlighter? You put it on your cheek. Now put the other one. Good girl. Maddie, look, you look so pretty. Maddie, what's your favorite color?
The orange.
Orange is your favorite color? This isn't orange. Ready? Look how pretty this is. See how it's glittery? You want to put some lipstick on?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Good job. Okay, now everyone look. This is Maddie's look. Show them your face and the sparkle. She looks so pretty. Thank you so much for watching and we can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye everyone. Blow a kiss.